everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Today's video is a Target shop with me and haul. I totally forgot to film an intro when I was doing my shop with me, so we're gonna do it this way. Stick around because a lot of the haul is clearance items, which are so nice. And the whole point of this haul was trying to find little mini pumpkin containers. I mentioned in my last video that I wanted to make pumpkin candles using those jars, but they are so big that it would require just way too much wax, way too much essential oils. So I wanted something smaller that would be cost effective for those of you that are going to be trying the soy candles at home. Anyway, let's go ahead and go shopping and then we'll be back here for the haul. Aria is always really excited when we go to Target. She loves the dollar spot because she gets to pick out a toy, but one of her most favorite things is hanging out with Spot. It was so cute to watch because she kept petting it like a real dog, and she even gives him a little kiss. The Halloween items were super cute. One of my favorite were these little ceramic books. These are $3 and look at all of the detail included. They also have these little branches which are super cute, and the pumpkins are stepping it up. Look how big and how beautiful these are for only $3. My Target is under construction, so everything is basically everywhere. Look how cute these little planters are. And they have so many beautiful fall items. These little appetizer plates are adorable if you're having a party or for Thanksgiving. And the flowers and greenery is super cute. All of these garlands are anywhere from $5 to $3 depending on the size. And this one can be used for Christmas as well. This was really cute. It was a little light up pumpkin and it was $5. And then these candles, the scents are amazing. Cinnamon pumpkin, maple caramel, and harvest blackberry. They also had more of the pumpkins, and the fall mugs are super duper cute. They're really big, and this one actually matches a kitchen towel set, which I'll show you guys in a second. These to-go mugs are $5. I remember when they used to be $3, but look how beautiful they are. And these tiny little pumpkins look like the Dollar Tree ones, but they're a little bit smaller and only $1. Here are the kitchen towels and oven mitts. I love them. And this one right here is the one that matches the mug. This apron is only $5 and super duper cute. And then they have things like canisters and little pie dishes. And I actually tried to open a canister, but they were sealed shut. But these are really big. Then they had more of these signs. And I really wish these trucks were in red. That would be so beautiful with a little Christmas tree. These little things are only $3. The decorative wood signs were only $3. I think these things are so cute and totally worth the money. Great for Thanksgiving decor. And I love these Halloween bowls. I couldn't find the one that said Hocus Pocus, which they had last year. Then they have these little votives for $3 and scarves. Those little brooms are so cute. And these candles I love. I love that they look like little cauldrons. They are so adorable. This is really cool for a gift, but it's a little bath bomb set. And the recipe boxes are back. These are $5, and in the Anthropology site, they have the exact same ones for $38, I believe. So this is a really good buy. And look how pretty this one is. It's nice and fall theme. Then they have a ton of ramekins, which are so cute and a really nice size and quality. And here are the pie dishes again. They're $5. Pie is my favorite. I fell in love with these pumpkins, and I wish they were smaller to make candles, but look at how big these are. They'd be great for holding snacks or something like that. And then these boxes were such a good buy. They're only $5, and this would be great for a Christmas gift or just to paint over it and use as a shelf. So now it's time to pay for all of our goodies and head home so I can show you guys what we got. Okay, so let me show you all of the things that I purchased. I'm gonna start with the dollar spot stuff first, and then I'm gonna move on to clearance because you guys have to see all of this. So the first thing that I fell in love with was the beautiful dish towel and oven mitt. I always purchase two because I always need two oven mitts, and for $3 you really can't beat it. I really love that even though this is fall, you can use this all year round. You don't just have to stick to fall. There's no pumpkins on it or anything that indicates that you need to put this away once the season is over. So I thought this was a really good buy. I also purchased this beautiful basket. I did show this in the video. This is only $3 and it is a really nice size to fill it with pumpkins or even ornaments when Christmas rolls around. This is just a beautiful piece that'll fit in your home for a long time. I purchased 2 sets of the ramekins because I still do plan on doing the salted caramel video. And for $3, I think this would work as a little candle base to make the candle video, but I really do want to use it for my salted caramel video, so I might go back and purchase more of these and use these for the candles. I'm not quite sure yet. I was really hoping to find small little pumpkins with a lid, so hopefully they put some of those out. I know one year they had them. I know I'm not crazy. They have the really big ones this year, but I know they had small ones. And then the last dollar spot item that I purchased was this beautiful broom. This was $3, and this is just so cute for a wreath or just to like hang on your wall. Super duper cute. Moving on to the clearance item, I found this Archaeology Exotic Red Mango Scented Candle. It is $4.48 and it comes in this beautiful little wood case. I bought it more for this than the actual candle itself. It's just a plus that the candle is really nice smelling. As a gift, this would be a really good idea because it already comes in its little case. They had a ton of different scents. I didn't show you guys the clearance section in the shop with me because that would make the video entirely way too long, and I was going to show you in the haul anyway. This candle was also $4.98, and I love the concrete look on the outside. It's got this little wood piece up top. And the candle smells really nice and fresh. It is in the scent Bamboo Palm. Soy wax blend candle poured in the USA. That is not the scent, but it is good to know that it was poured here in the good old US of A. I purchased another archaeology candle. This one was $3.88, and I just love the look of this. The colors are so neutral that you can just pop this on a shelf, and it just gives it a nice look without being too overpowering. And it smells really good. Once I burn these down, I always do pour another candle in here, or I use this to hold like certain jewelry pieces. So I love candles that come in really pretty containers. So this I fell in love with. This is a little measuring spoon set in gold. This was $2.48, and look at how beautiful this is. So it comes a tablespoon, half a tablespoon. Is it missing? No, it's not missing any of them, but I think this is really nice, especially if I'm going to be doing baking videos. It looks so pretty and fancy. I found a gold pie server, and this one was $3.98. Really nice for a picture if you're going to do wedding pictures or just to actually use. But I think that things like this look so good for props in a photo, or if you're having a special event. Definitely looks a lot nicer than the plastic Dollar Tree ones or the ones that you get at Walmart. And then the last items were these salt and pepper grinders. This one was $7.48, and this one was $7.48 as well. They already come pre-filled. Not all of them that did. These did, and they're sealed, so it's not like anybody actually used them. So I really like this. It is a little on the pricey side, but they look so good as kitchen decor and also super functional. So that is it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed the haul. I really hope that you enjoyed the shop with me. And let me know in the comments section below what you want to see on this channel. I am always open to new ideas. And thank you so, so much for watching each and every week. And I will see you next time.
Hey, you!